Hello, I'm back again for another quick video here. Here's our kitchen sink rough-in. Right here we got a combination fitting santee. You always want to put the kitchen sinks a little lower in the rough. Sometimes even as low as like 11, 12 inches, 14 inches. Just because of the garbage disposal. So right here is a kitchen sink. We're a little low on the waist, which is good, so we can make sure everything fits. Here we're actually going to be repiping the water, so that PEX stuff to the galvanized is actually going to come out. Here, just want to see, so if you ever see your kitchen pipes and look at the wall and the pipe going in the wall, this is what it basically looks like. Maybe it'll be older pipes, or it could be the ABS, but a lot of times it'll have the santee. It'll have your combi. So in the back is where the clean out's at. And here's your 90 and connecting back to the vent. This is your vent going through the roof. Okay, right here I can show you the back of the clean out. Right here we got fittings and things. Let me get some lighting a little better situated. Right here we're working on the water heater, and back of that wall is the water heater. So we're gonna get 2 copper pipes up in this area here. Let's see here. So up in this area here, we're setting some brackets. These metal brackets here are supports so you can strap the pipe. Right now there's PEX in there, but we're gonna get this copper piping. It's here. This copper piping is gonna go. Thank you, Adam. This copper piping is gonna go on this bar and get strapped, but the felt up here gets strapped on that bar and then go in through, and we're gonna put a valve and an adapter so we can return and feed the water heater. Let me kind of get back. Right here, this is gonna be where the water heater is at. Over here we got the laundry. There was a little problem. The vent was a little undersized. We're gonna make sure and bring it all 2-inch. Sometimes that helps with the laundry and a lot of flow of water. So we're bringing it up. It actually was vented below the flood level. Flood level's up here. It was broke over and was vented, so that kind of restricts it. And then it had smaller piping. It was here. So we're just gonna go straight up here, up in this area. I drilled a hole up in that area, as you can see. I'm gonna come through, and I'm gonna come up this area and go up the roof here, and this is gonna be for the vent for the washing machine. Here we're gonna put copper piping, tie in. So right here is your washing machine. Just in case you guys don't know, folks, this is your washing machine. You got 2-inch piping. You gotta be minimal 2-inch, and you got your trap right here, santee, and then you got your drain pipe going down and your vent pipe going up. Like I said, this pipe's going up. It's basically gonna 90 over right here in this area where the hole's at, and then go up here. And then I'll have a video on that when it's all completed. I was just coming back to the video where I want to show you some other waste here, but there was another video where I wanted to come back to show the completion of this guy. This is the way it basically looks. And then the back end, we're just going to put a plug on the back side of that wall. Over here, right here, we have a little issue too. I should have left it when I was just cutting it out right now. Let's see here. Right here, this was a 2-inch going into the end. This is 1.5 inches here. So we had a problem. We had the 1.5 inch piping, and we had this 2-inch tying into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2-inch piping. 2-inch piping is gonna be a 2-inch santee, which is gonna come over, pick up that, and then over here in this area, the top part of the santee is the vent, and then the pipe's gonna actually drain down, and this is your pipe here. I know it's kind of, can't really see. Sorry for the Right here is your 2-inch piping coming down through the floor. And this is the santee that I'm talking about. This is where your drain will pick up, and this area is the top part is your vent, and the bottom part here is your drain. When the sweep goes this way, that's always going to be your drain part, and this is your vent. And this is a typical feeding that's used to pick up any waistline at this area, whether it be a sink, tub, anything that's getting picked up from this area horizontally, and vertically goes up is the vent, and the going down is the drain. And you always want to follow this radius. Wherever this radius is going, that's the down part of the drain. Or you can use this as a vent, and the vent is the up part, and this could be your vent, and this could be a vent picking up if you want to use this as a vent. So there's more to learn on that. I'm gonna try to get in a classroom pretty soon. I have setting up a class so I can show everybody and every fitting and what it does. Okay, thank you again. I'll get back to you right here. We're just working on this piping here and try to correct everything. So that basically, that up there, that's gonna catch like this. It's gonna pick up the pipe that's up there, and then the top part is gonna connect to that pipe up here, and this bottom part is gonna connect to this piece here. Here's your drain, and the pipe's gonna sit like up here. Basically, that's what it's doing. As I put it up there, up in that area, that T will be up there picking that up, and then coming through, and then the top part will tie into that pipe that's up there through and this side here, and that through the floor. Okay, so just so you guys give a little insight, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you. This is Greg with another educational video to try to teach everybody at home how to do some plumbing. Okay, and this is typical piping for a waste and vent plumbing system. Okay, we'll get back to you guys. Sorry, we're in between the jobs, so I just wanted to do a quick video. We'll be getting back to you guys. So you can see, again, this is what the tub, you see your laundry box. This is what it looks like inside. Typical, kind of the same, that's basically the same typical installation you have for the vent, santee, vent, and waste. And that's the same thing what's going on over here. Trap, santee up there, the vent, and the waste. Okay, and there's your kitchen again. Finish that one up, and the same thing just for one more time. Here's your santee. Here's your 90 re-venting and tying back into the vent. And out there going outside is the clean out. We'll just cut the pipe and put a plug there. And this is the piping tying back in. Okay, this is Greg, and we'll be getting back to you with another video. Thank you.